This will probably be a fairly quick video. I'm going to do a whole bunch of them on oscillators. And today's oscillator is the Avalanche oscillator. I came across it first on this Look Mum, No Computer YouTube page. Really neat page. He's doing lots of interesting stuff. I believe he's based out of the UK area. I don't believe he did up the circuit right though, but I couldn't get it to work. I tried and tried, watched the video several times. This is on his Redbull one. I just couldn't get it to make much noise. But he did reference this guy. And this guy's got a nice web page. He's also does YouTube videos. Go check him out. And this was the design that he had for the Avalanche oscillator. Now, I want to make noise. I did make this one up, and yes, it would blink the light quite nicely. But, well, okay, it's a blinker. So what I did was I went after kind of like what this person was doing. I put an LDR in place of the resistor. That way, with this capacitor here, the RC circuit would change its charge rate depending on how much light's coming in. The BJT is a 2N3904, yet you hook it up in reverse. And also you need to cut, this guy says quite blatantly, cut number 2 lead for the bass. So I set it up like this. I hooked up a speaker. So that's the circuit that I've got, and it makes noise. So let's just try it out now. I'll zoom in on that in a moment. But let's see. Now you can see on here, oops, you can see right there, as soon as I start darkening the area up, there's the cone of silence. Less than 2 hertz. Actually, it's probably nothing. Take that off. And I'm running at about 57 hertz. Somebody might go, hey, wait, all you're doing is picking up your power in your house. No. Shine a light on it. I'm at 200 hertz. More light. And it's up to 400, 700-ish. So you can start playing with it, moving things around. You're not even touching the circuit. And you got yourself a nice little noise maker. I did try some resistors in this spot. If I put a 100K resistor in there, I got 2 hertz. A 50K resistor, 5.7 hertz. A 1K, 257. Now let's just take a snap. Then zoom in on the waveform. Okay, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but let's just I'm going to adjust the scope, and I'm going to drop the cone of silence on that. So this pulse is actually pretty fast. It's about 70 microseconds from there to there. So this thing's pretty neat. And here's a close-up of the circuit. Not exactly a lot to it. Transistor, an LDR, and a capacitor. And power supply, of course. So that's about it for this one. That's not bad for an oscillator, basically 3 parts, plus power supply. And here it is set up like this. 1K, I used a 470 microfarad cap, mainly because I don't have any good 1000 ones at this type of voltage. So, kind of cute. So have a good day, and I'll have to figure out what's next oscillator I'm going to make. Okay, here's the first circuit. I couldn't get it to work. I've got 18 volts coming in on this thing right now, and when I shine a bright light on it, it makes some noise, but not much. I think there was actually a mistake done in the wiring diagram.